They say, a wounded lion doesn't beg. It steps back, heals in silence, and returns stronger. I'm not here to tell you a fairy tale. I'm here to talk about the hell you go through when you get knocked down, when the world counts you out. That's not the end. That's the beginning. Today, I'll give you 7 Stoic lessons to make your greatest comeback. Stay with me. So you're hurt. Good. That means you're alive and you're in the fight. Pain is proof that you're pushing your limits, that you're not hiding from life's challenges. The first lesson, accept the wound. Don't run from it. Don't pretend it isn't there. Let it in. Let yourself feel it fully, because only then can you begin to understand it. Don't numb it. Don't cover it up or hide from it. It's real, and it's yours. Your pain is a message, a signal that something inside you is changing, growing, evolving. Marcus Aurelius said, "What stands in the way becomes the way." Your pain is not a punishment, it's feedback. It's a teacher showing you where you need to grow stronger, where you need to pay attention. Most people waste their pain, they ignore it or let it break them, but you use it, analyze it, adapt, let it sharpen your focus and fuel your determination. Your wound is your new set of rules. It demands more from you. It asks you to rise above your old self, to become someone tougher, wiser, and more resilient. Stop asking, why me? Ask, what now? The wound is not the end. It's the beginning of your next chapter. Accept the wound with resolve. This pain is here to introduce you to who you're meant to become. Let it shape you, not break you. After you accept the wound, resist the urge to talk. The pain is real, but you don't owe anyone an explanation. Let the silence settle in. In those first moments, your instinct might be to reach out, to vent, to seek validation or comfort from others. But true strength is found in restraint. Hold your words. Let your actions speak for you, not your need for sympathy. Don't announce your comeback. The lion doesn't post about its injury. It disappears, finds a cave, and works in silence. There's no need to broadcast your pain or your plans. The world doesn't need to know your every move. Like the lion, you heal and prepare in the shadows, away from the noise and the eyes of those who only want a story to tell. Seneca knew, the crowd infects you with its anxieties. When you're wounded, you're vulnerable to that infection. The opinions, doubts, and fears of others can seep into your mind, making your own pain heavier. Distance yourself from the noise. Protect your mind from the chaos of the crowd, and give yourself space to breathe and think clearly. Withdraw, go ghost, let them talk. Every word is fuel, their speculation, their gossip, their doubts. Let it all become the fire that drives you. Disappear from their view, and let your absence become a mystery. The less they know, the more they wonder. While they gossip, you work. While they speculate, you strategize. Every moment spent in solitude is a moment invested in your own growth. Use the quiet to sharpen your skills, to plan your next move, to become stronger than before. This silence is not rest. It's active rebuilding. Study, train, fortify your mind. In the darkness, you are not idle. You are preparing, learning, and transforming. Every hour alone is a brick in the foundation of your comeback. Don't give them updates. Let your silence unsettle them. The less you reveal, the more powerful you become. Let your progress be invisible until it's undeniable. The only story that matters is the one you're writing now, in the dark. This is where transformation happens. quietly, patiently, and relentlessly. When you emerge, let your results speak for themselves. Alone your demons come, rage, fear, ego. They drain you. A wounded lion is dangerous because it's in control, not because it's wild. You can't control what happened, only your response. That's your power. Anger makes you reckless. Fear makes you hesitate. Ego blinds you. Channel your emotions. Turn anger into fuel, fear into focus, ego into discipline. The internal battle is the only one that matters. Master your mind. When you control your emotions, you become truly dangerous. Pain is chaos. It's raw, unpredictable, and if you let it, it rules you. It can feel like a storm inside your mind, tearing apart your focus and your will. But pain is also a signal, a call to action. You can let it break you, or you can use it as fuel to build something stronger. Epictetus taught, freedom comes from discipline. When you're lost in pain, structure is your lifeline. Turn pain into structure, and you reclaim your power. Discipline isn't a prison. It's the path to freedom. Your comeback starts with a schedule, not a feeling. 4 a.m. alarms, brutal routines, no days off. You don't wait for motivation. You create momentum with every disciplined action, no matter how small. The pain will beg for comfort. It will whisper excuses, tempt you to quit, to take the easy way out. You answer with discipline, choosing the hard path because you know it leads to growth. Structure is your weapon. It's how you rebuild brick by brick, day after day. Each routine, each habit is a stone in the foundation of your new self. A wounded lion heals cell by cell. You do the same, mind, body, spirit. Healing isn't instant. It's a process, a commitment to show up for yourself every single day. Every time you follow the structure, you prove you're no longer a slave to pain. You're building resilience, one disciplined choice at a time. The pain is noise, the structure is the signal. Follow it, and you'll find your way through the chaos towards strength, clarity, and freedom. While you rebuild, the world writes you off. Let them. Their underestimation is your advantage. Don't correct them. Don't seek validation. The lion waits. The herd grows complacent. That's when the lion strikes. Every doubt, every joke is fuel. Bank it. Let it smolder. You're not coming back to prove them wrong. You're proving yourself right. They see the old you. They have no idea who you're becoming. Let them sleep. Let them underestimate you. It makes your victory absolute. The day comes. The healing is done. It's time to return. Don't announce your comeback. Demonstrate it. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "Waste no more time arguing what a good man should be. Be one." When a lion returns, it doesn't roar. It hunts. Its actions speak. Your return is the scoreboard, the masterpiece, the undeniable result. Let your actions drown out all doubts. They wrote you off. Now they have to rewrite the story. You did the work. Now take what's yours. You did it. You shocked them all. Now comes the real test. Victory makes you soft. Praise makes you complacent. The lion eats, but never forgets hunger. The hunt comes again. Your comeback isn't a destination. It's a new standard. The discipline that got you here must keep you here. Stay humble. Stay hungry. Keep seeking discomfort. Keep fighting from behind. Remember the pain. Remember the silence. They are your fuel. The hunt is never over. 7 lessons. This isn't motivation, it's a blueprint. Most will stay down, but you're still here. That means you're different. Shut out the noise. Listen to the voice that says, get up. Your wound is an opportunity. Rebuild, reinvent, become unbreakable. A wounded lion doesn't die, it evolves.